Hey everybody, Iceman50 here. Just a little quick update on the turn signals and stuff for the GROM. So I got these pretty cool little turn signals. I got a whole set, 4 of them, 2 front, 2 rear. Let's see if we can see that here. That's what I got on Amazon. So I've got my power supply and I got it set to 12 volts. So these are, I said they were 4 wire before, they're 3 wire. So you know, and actually it's funny, you look at these, they're pretty you don't need to be a genius to figure these out. There's a red, gee, which one do you think that one's for? And black, and yellow. Yeah. So, you know, obviously black goes to black, that's your ground, right? That's your common. So here's the cool part is, you know, we got yellow and we got red, right? Yellow is amber, turn signal. Red is for the brake light. So let me turn out this light here. I think I'll go a little dark for a second. And look at that. It's cool. I didn't think it was, but it's sequential. That's awesome. So there's that. And then for the red, so these are the backs, right? That would be the turn signal, and here's the brake light. Just nice and bright. It's a heck of a brake light. Like I said, this was 20 bucks for 4 of these. This is pretty impressive. So that's the rear, right? And then the front is these. So we'll get the negative on here, and so we'll go to the turn signal again first. I mean, it's the same thing. You see, it's exactly the same thing, right? Awesome. Sequential. Those are gonna look pretty cool. They're so slim. I feel like this is what they should have come with. And then here's the white. So these are up front. You got to see this. When it first turns on, it does like this weird little pattern. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to tie it into the headlights. So when you start the bike, these will come on. So we've got I'm trying to do this so you can see it at the same time here. Oops. See that? Oh, you didn't see that. Ooh, shoot. I mean, look how bright that is. These are really bright. So let's see if I can do that, and then I'll do it again so you can see the pattern. Can you see let's try the pattern when you're looking at it. It's kind of like Knight Rider when it first turns on. See that? It goes back, forth, back, forth. Anyways, these are going to be pretty cool. So just give you guys a little sneak preview here as to what's coming up. So, and I did get the adapter for my microphone, so we'll be able to plug this in and out. So I'll be able to do, hopefully my moto vlogs will sound better. So yeah, I guess this is just going to be a general update video. All right, everybody. We'll see you on the next one. Easy.